The story begins before sunrise, when the world is still quiet and the air feels fresh and cool. In the distance, a large dairy processing factory stands ready for another busy day. Bright lights glow inside the facility, and slowly, the machines begin to come alive. This factory is where fresh milk is transformed into safe, clean, and ready-to-consume products for millions of people. Every drop of milk that enters this place goes through a carefully controlled journey. The process begins on dairy farms, where cows are milked early in the morning. The milk is collected using modern milking machines that ensure hygiene and efficiency. Once collected, the milk is immediately cooled and stored in refrigerated tanks to maintain freshness. Soon after, large insulated tanker trucks arrive at the farms. These trucks are specially designed to keep the milk cold during transportation. The milk is pumped into the tankers and begins its journey to the processing factory. As the trucks arrive at the factory gates, everything is carefully organized. Each tanker is checked before unloading. Samples of the milk are taken and sent to the laboratory for testing. Experts examine the milk for quality, freshness, and safety. They check for bacteria levels, fat content, and overall purity. Only milk that meets strict standards is accepted. If any issue is found, the entire batch is rejected. This ensures that only the highest quality milk enters the production system. Once approved, the milk is pumped into large stainless steel storage silos. These silos are temperature controlled, keeping the milk cold and fresh. The tanks are massive, capable of holding thousands of liters. The next step is filtration and clarification. Even though the milk looks clean, it still goes through fine filters to remove any remaining impurities. This process ensures that the milk is completely and ready for further treatment. After filtration, the milk enters the pasteurization stage. This is one of the most important steps in dairy processing. The milk is heated to a specific temperature for a short period of time. This heat kills harmful bacteria while preserving the natural taste and nutrients. Immediately after heating, the milk is rapidly cooled. This quick cooling prevents any remaining bacteria from growing and helps maintain freshness. Next comes homogenization. This process improves the texture of the milk. The milk is forced through very small openings under high pressure, breaking down fat molecules into tiny particles. This prevents the cream from separating and gives the milk a smooth, uniform consistency. Now the milk is safe, stable, and ready for further processing. Depending on the product, the milk may be separated into different components. Using special machines, the cream can be separated from the milk. This allows the factory to produce different types of milk, such as full cream, low-fat, and skim milk. At this stage, the factory may also begin producing other dairy products. Some of the cream is used to make butter, while other portions are used for cheese, yogurt, or ice cream. Each product follows its own unique process. For liquid milk, the next step is packaging. The processed milk flows through stainless steel pipelines into automated filling machines. These machines fill bottles, cartons, or pouches with precise amounts of milk. The filling process is extremely fast and hygienic. The packaging area is kept clean and controlled to prevent contamination. Each container is sealed immediately after filling. Labels are then applied to the packages. These labels include important information such as the product type, nutritional details, and expiration date. Everything is clearly printed to ensure consumers know exactly what they are buying. After packaging, the milk moves through a quality inspection stage. Advanced sensors and cameras check each package for defects. If a container is not properly sealed or filled, it is removed from the line. Once approved, the milk products are transferred to cold storage. Large refrigerated rooms keep the milk at low temperatures, preserving its freshness. The storage area is carefully organized, with products arranged for easy distribution. Meanwhile, in another part of the factory, other dairy products are being made. Yogurt production begins with pasteurized milk, which is mixed with special cultures. The mixture is kept at a controlled temperature, allowing it to ferment and thicken. Cheese production involves additional steps. The milk is treated with enzymes that cause it to separate into curds and whey. The curds are then processed, shaped, and aged to create different types of cheese. Butter is made by churning cream until the fat separates from the liquid. The result is a rich, solid product that is then shaped and packaged. Each of these processes takes place in specialized sections of the factory, but all follow the same principles of cleanliness, precision, and quality control. Outside the factory, refrigerated trucks are lined up, ready to transport the finished products. Workers carefully load the milk and dairy items into these trucks, ensuring that the cold chain is maintained. These trucks will deliver the products to supermarkets, shops, and homes. From there, the milk becomes part of everyday life, used in tea, coffee, cooking, and countless meals. Inside the factory, the work continues without pause. As one batch is completed, another begins. The machines operate continuously, and workers remain focused on maintaining quality at every step. In the laboratory, scientists continue to monitor the products. They perform regular tests to ensure safety and consistency. Their work helps maintain the trust of consumers. Modern dairy factories also focus on sustainability. Water used in cleaning is treated and reused whenever possible. Energy-efficient systems help reduce environmental impact. Packaging materials are designed to be recyclable. Cleanliness is a top priority throughout the entire facility. Workers wear protective clothing, including gloves, masks, and hair coverings. Strict hygiene rules are followed at all times. Every surface is regularly cleaned and sanitized. This ensures that the milk remains safe from contamination. As the day progresses, thousands of liters of milk are processed. Each step is carefully controlled, from the moment the milk arrives to the moment it leaves the factory. By evening, the factory is operating at full capacity. The sound of machines, the movement of conveyor belts, and the coordination between workers create a continuous rhythm. Even at night, the production does not stop. Bright lights keep the facility active, ensuring that supply meets demand. From fresh milk collected on farms to packaged products on store shelves, the journey is long and complex. But every step is designed to ensure quality, safety, and freshness. Each bottle or carton of milk represents the combined effort of farmers, workers, engineers, and machines. It is a product that people rely on every day. This is the complete story of milk processing, from farm to factory, and from factory to your home.